Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are at this beautiful property in Kitchener, Ontario, Canada. This couple is getting ready to sell their property and they wanted to update this staircase that they have here. So it's a split staircase. They were leaving the tile and they just wanted to match the laminate flooring that they were putting throughout the rest of the property. So we were able to find them a vinyl that looked the exact same, and we went ahead and got started. So obviously this is quite sped up, but this is the installation of the stairs as we go along. With the process, we always cut and dry fit all of the pieces before we get started on the installation. So that's why you're not seeing any of that cutting or that delay there. You're just seeing the installations. Also, as much as possible, for the first 24 hours after installation, you do not want to be walking on the stairs. You want to really limit the amount of movement that's on the stairs until the glue is able to adhere. So the process does require us to work from the bottom up, but we specifically chose to work on the top set first, knowing that we would have to be kind of going up and down the bottom set to be getting all the pieces. And then that would be able to set while we worked on the bottom one. And then there is a second door at the bottom that we would be able to exit from. So luckily, with this being a split level property, they had a bunch of entries and exits, so it made it a lot easier for us to not be traveling on the stairs after they have been installed. But I will leave you to enjoy the installation. So that is the top set done, and we will be moving on to the bottom set. The one thing that's not shown here is that after they are installed, we do add a caulking along the sides of both the risers and the treads. So in this case, because the sides are painted white, we are using a white caulking there. We didn't show it in the video, but you will see it in the finished product. So actually, again, how we coordinated this is while this bottom set was installed, I was working on doing the caulking on the top set, so that that would be done, and then continue doing it on the bottom before we left the property. And here it is all complete. So you can see they did choose to leave their metal nosing on the top because that led into the tiles, but the rest of the stairs we have completed here, and they've all been caulked at the side for this just beautiful clean finish that we have. And here we have the before and after comparison. No more old, worn down, rounded stairs. A nice, clean finish for their sale. Please, if you haven't already, consider subscribing to our channel, and have a great day.